Hi guys, welcome to Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen the problem on integration. The given problem is integration sine raised to 4x dx. Okay, how it can be solved in easy and simple way to get the better solution. Okay, let's do start. Okay, let I is equal to integration sine raised to 4x is the power given, and the simplification term is written as sine square x bracket square dx. Okay, here we observe the sine square x is equal to related what is the formula. Okay, then we know that the cos 2 theta is equal to what? The cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Then we get the sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Okay, here we can replace the sine square x as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, then simplification terms becomes 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 bracket square dx. Okay, and this term is like as a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. Okay, then simplification term becomes as 1 minus 2 cos 2x then plus cos square 2x divided by 4 bracket complete dx. Okay, here we observe 1 by 4 is the constant term becomes as a separately 1 dx then minus 2 integration cos 2x then plus integration cos square 2x dx bracket complete. Okay, here we observe the cos square 2x is equal to what is the related formula. We can here put up the formula. Okay, we know that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, then formula becomes 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Okay, yes, then we want to here cos square 2x is equal to related formula, then here we want to multiply by 2. Okay, then we get the 1 plus cos 4 theta divided by 2. Okay, then here we replace the cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2. Okay, then 1 by 4 is the constant term, then integration 1 dx minus 2 times okay integration cos 2x dx. Okay, here we 1 to dx then plus integration 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2 dx bracket complete. Okay, then simplification terms becomes as here we can written here. Okay, then 1 by 4 is equal to in bracket integration 1 x. Okay, then minus sign 2. Okay, integration of cos 2x is equal to sine 2x divided by 2. Yes, okay, then plus integration 1 by 2 is the constant term, then 1 by 2 x. Okay, then plus integration of cos 4x divided by 2 is equal to sine 4x divided by 2 into 4. Okay, then plus is the constant of integration. Okay, then simplification terms becomes as 1 by 4 okay x plus 1 by 2 x this term. Okay, then 2 to get cancel, then sine 2x plus sine 4x divided by 8 and plus c is the constant of integration. Okay, then simplification term becomes 1 by 4 and this term becomes 3x by 2. Okay, and minus sine 2x then plus sine 4x divided by 8 and plus is the constant of integration, and this is my final solution. If you like then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.